Hello everyone. Now let's check this Seagate pension drive. And now we can check in the common terminal. Its diagnostic port knocked. Actually, we have written the unlock ROM to this pension drive. Now let's try to power on this pension drive. We can see this take unlock handshake value, and then we send unlock key to unlock the firmware arrow. Okay, now let's try to enter the software update details to get this hard drive ID. Now we can see this is the model number ST3000LM024 and the family is A1. Click OK. Now we can see all the modules are available already, and we can try to click the module list and we can find out all the modules. At this time, we can try to check the data arrow and find out what's the issue with this drive. Click OK, so we can try to read the sector 0. Now we can see read success. But at this time, we cannot find this partition mark. And it seems all the sectors are encrypted and the data is wrong. So at this kind of status and situation, it's not possible to recover the lost data because it's encrypted. So for this kind of drive, how to fix this problem and then get the lost data back. Now we try to go to the common terminal, and for this kind of situation, if users try to run the logical scan and it's not a problem, now let's try to scan the data arrow and see what will happen. Now it's not a problem to scan, but the data is not correct. So let's check the solution. We go to the module list and we find this module 40, and here it's 80. Now we change to 81 and we go to the checksum value. So the last 2 bytes with the hex data is this one, LIF. Now we need to change to A0, and this is 43. Okay, now we click save. Okay, now we try to write the original ROM. We need to select the correct ROM to write. Now we check the serial number. Because the ROM name is created by the SN number, now we can see this is YBS. So we select this original ROM. And we use a higher baud rate to write this original ROM. Click OK. Now the software starts to write this original ROM. So we need to wait a little bit until the original ROM is written to this pension drive. Okay, now we can see in the log window the ROM write OK. So at this time we go back to COM terminal and we can try to power off, and then we power on the pension drive again to see the result. Now we try to click Ctrl L. Okay, we can see it has been unlocked successfully. Now we go to the hex and check the LBA0, that is the data sector 0. This is the status before we use the solution. Now we try to read this sector 0 again to check the data status. Now we can see in the end of the sector 0, the partition mark has been available. So at this time, we go to the DFLC panel and we can open the DFLDDP data recovery software here on the same channel SATA 0. Okay, here we need to switch to the DDP power on. This is the encrypted status. We can try to click get ID information again. Then here we can see the partition mark. We can try to set up one new project for file extraction. Click finish. Now we can see this is the last partition, and users just need to double click the root folder, and then users can find all the lost folders and files here. And users just need to select the wanted folders and files and right click to recover the selected files or save the file. Thank you for watching the video.